In this advanced CTI use case demo, we will demonstrate how Anomali centralizes detection, investigation, and response into a coherent workflow that enables analysts to make confident threat hunting decisions. You likely know Anomali as a leader in the threat intelligence platform domain, giving you visibility to the threat landscape and also helping you operationalize intelligence to harden the security control on your end. What expands that value is Anomali's ability to ingest your telemetry and logs alongside intelligence. With unified security data lake's multi-year hot data retention capability, teams can correlate signals with context and conduct full-scale threat hunting across their environment with complete historical evidence. Let's see it in action. Consider an identity-driven intrusion scenario. An Office 365 document downloads and drops an executable in a suspicious location. That executable launches through PowerShell. Persistence is established through registry modification. Privilege escalation follows. Defense evasion then occurs, as the attacker uses PowerShell to reduce detection and bypass security inspection. Credentials are extracted from the browser. Discovery follows, including local account enumeration. Lateral movement occurs over RDP tunneling. Data is ultimately staged and exfiltrated externally. Each phase leaves a trace. To showcase this, we'll use a set of use cases that run threat hunting from initial access through data exfiltration, allowing you to test for matching activity against your own retained telemetry. With unified security data lake enabled in ThreatStream, teams can onboard data through the log sources in the Search tab, then access the Threat Model Library, which contains a curated set of detections you can run directly against your retained telemetry at scale, including Sigma, Snort, Yara, Zeek, Suricata, and Anomali query language signatures. Using the built-in use case library, analysts can evaluate detections aligned to each stage of the scenario. For example, a Sigma rule focused on Office applications dropping executables can be executed directly against stored logs. The platform evaluates the rule logic against historical telemetry and returns matching events with full context. Metadata, command line arguments, file paths, and process lineage are immediately visible. A second rule targeting PowerShell download and execution behavior can be run in the same way. If PowerShell leverage download strings or remote file retrieval, those activities are surfaced with raw event detail and structured parsing side by side. Analysts can validate whether suspicious activity occurred at any stage of the attack chain, using their own retained telemetry as evidence. Because of Anomali Unified Security Data Lake's long-term hot data storage capabilities, analysts can check for anomalous behavior across multiple years of stored logs. Organizations can test new intelligence or emerging techniques against historical data without needing to rehydrate archives or rebuild pipelines. Additionally, any evaluated rule can be converted into a scheduled alert. The same detection logic used for hunting can be automated to continuously check for such activity in your environment. Alerts can be risk-scored, scheduled, and routed into alert triage for assignment and response. From there, incidents are tracked, accessed, and remediated within a unified workflow. For security teams focused on identity compromise, privilege escalation, and data exfiltration risk, Anomali provides the threat intelligence they need across the full attack lifecycle. Intelligent action, when it matters most. Try Anomali today.